back to another crypto video. Good morning everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. It's a lovely sunny day right here from the United Kingdom. We're going to look at ZILLIQA today, one of our altcoin gems. We can see here we've got the alt season index, and right now we are clearly in a Bitcoin season. So Bitcoin is just consolidating exactly where it is, so it could effectively be a good time to start accumulating these altcoins before the next alt season impulse. Not financial advice, but that is just what this chart is screaming. Just like if you bought altcoins in November 2020, remember if you loaded up Ethereum here, we saw a big blast of Ethereum come January, February, March of 2021. So really exciting stuff right now. ZILLIQA is not going anywhere. You can see that they just hired a new person for their team as well, and as you can see, very large following ship. So it's one of the really strong projects here, and they've got a big DeFi presence, a big decentralized finance presence as well. So ZILLIQA is trading at $0.038 right now. I'm not going to read all those numbers. Rank 131 of a market cap of 538 million. We can see if we look over the 1 year, we have come down all the way from 23 cents. So quite a big drop really. 30 days we're down 21%, the year we're down 77%. So this could be one of our key undervaluation reaccumulation zones. And what I'm seeing right now is if we just go to that daily chart, you can see the big euphoria. You can see that almost big euphoric greedy rush right there. That's exactly where it was. And if we look at that, that took 194 days. We then see distribution for 100 days, and then we see another supply zone for 50 days. So it looks like we're flipping back into distribution right now. One thing to consider is if we get the fib retracement, we are way under the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement now, so it does sort of show you that you can potentially start dollar cost averaging in. So yeah, we're on the daily time frame, we're still under that 20-day moving average. So these green labels do represent our support levels. We've got 0.017 here, we've got 0.033 over here. So we had our head and shoulders from a few days ago. I'm going to show you over here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We broke to the upside of that. We did get rejected on this resistance of the falling wedge pattern itself, which didn't look too good. So right now it looks like we're just consolidating at around the level of the right shoulder, which means maybe we're going to get a slight pump to the upside if we can just maintain these lows right here like this, because we're putting through higher lows at the moment. Maybe we've got this sort of symmetrical triangle pattern on the go right here. So I'd like to see a bit of a bounce back up to at least 0.043 over the next few days. If we look at the RSI, you can also see it's doing exactly that. It's trading in a range. There's lots of volatility and uncertainty in the market right now. So this is the hourly time frame for ZIL. As you can see, it's impulse retracement. So are we going to get that next impulse? If we do lose the support level, we could potentially come back down to the bottom of the head here, over at $0.033 right there for ZILLIQA. So it does look like we are just in a bit of a symmetrical triangle waiting to break out to the upside. Of course, if we break out the symmetrical triangle, the next resistance target is going to be $0.046 there for ZILLIQA, and that will happen quite abruptly. You won't be able to time it unless you're literally watching the chart. So we could break out, retest this resistance and break through, or we can alternatively lose the support on this symmetrical triangle and come down to this lower support level at $0.033 there, guys. So very important we understand what can happen. Just want to say massive thanks to the 6 patrons as well. Huge love on the channel. If you want to become a patron, you get one-on-one messaging. You receive this ebook right here. You get premium Discord access and also access to giveaways on the channel. So yeah, do consider that in the description below. So what really is happening? Well, just lower highs, big falling wedge on that daily time frame. We did just break out, as you see, but we just failing to put through that extra higher high. Looks like we're getting rejected, bit of a fake out. Maybe we can fall back into this falling wedge depending on what the remainder of the market decides to do. So it really is a bit of a helter-skelter. If we go to the weekly time frame, however, we can get some targets for the next, I suppose, bull market. Now, if I just remove all these drawings just to make it a little bit easier for you to see. Okay, that didn't work. Can we hide everything? Yes, we can. So we can hide those drawings. Now, if we were to get the fib extension, oh, it's all back to haunt me. We'll just leave it for now. We can see this is our swing high. We can assume this is the low, the bear market low. And we can start seeing these higher fib levels really around 0.3. We can see around the 0.34, around the 0.39. These are some really pragmatic targets for the next cycle. This is a big supply accumulation range, and you know, on the weekly, on the RSI, we're still pretty low like we were back in the bear market of 2020. So that's what I'm seeing. This is another accumulation bear market phase, ready for a bigger impulse, for bigger all-time highs in the next superior bull market. So right now, yes, the floor price is raised because more people are holding, more unique holders, more incentive to stake and actually stay invested in the project. So that's what I'm seeing right now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is ZILLIQA. Do you also want to give a shout out to this Crypto Calls channel, as they have put through some amazing calls and amazing trading signals. My fund portfolio actually made some good money with this, so you can join their Telegram down in the description below. Also, make sure to hop in my Discord channel, completely free. Almost 150 people in there. I'm going to lock it around 200, so hopefully see you in there so you don't miss out on news, good general chat, and crypto information. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. Subscribe to the channel, comment, leave a suggestion down below, and see you soon.